Hi everyone, today's makeup tip is on how to enhance your mobile eyelid and make it look bigger. Some of us are naturally born with hooded eyes and some of us get droopy eyelids when we age, covering the mobile eyelid. So the mobile eyelid is the part that blinks, so this part here, okay? So there's one very simple way of enhancing it and making it look wider. That is using shimmer. I know some of you say that when you get older you should stay away from shimmer. I totally disagree. I would probably say stay away from creamy glitter, because what can happen is once it dries out it can crease between the lines. So stay away from creamy glitter, but shimmery eye makeup is definitely a go. So what you can do is either use a shimmery eyeshadow or a highlighter that you normally use on your cheeks, okay? So all you need to do is dab it in with a brush and then close your eye, and just where the crease starts naturally, just apply it like that. And you can see the difference between this eye and that one. This has naturally opened up the eye. You can take it up to the crease line. And voila, have a look. How simple is that?